So let's insert a record on the database. You can see here I am on the products. Here on the top you can click here on insert. And from here you can populate this database. Again, if you remember, the ID we set up to auto increment, so you can skip this value. So the second one, the name of the product is going to be HomeKit, so we're HomeKit. Then we have the image full, and right here I have product. This will be the image full, so we can save this path and make sure that you add that JPEG. And then we have image thumb. You can see we have product thumb_01, so we can paste this. The price for this is going to be 25. And then we have a long description. So for example, you can copy this content and copy and paste. And next you can add a short description, maybe like, well, let's add something like short description of the HomeKit. And then once you finish filling this form, you can click here on go. And you can see we have one row inserted. And now you can click here on browse. And you can see we have ID 1, and we have name, we have image, thumb, price, description, and short description. And maybe you are thinking that this is a lot of work. Maybe you want to create these products by hand, all the products that you want. Believe me, this way will be easier for you and more maintainable in the future. So here I have in my gist, I'm gonna add in this into the project files, this URL. You can click here on row or row, and nope, and select everything. This is the whole content, select everything, and click here on SQL, and remove this, and paste the content, and click here on go. And now you can see we have 7 rows inserted. So you can click here on browse, and now you can see we have all the products, the images, the prices, the descriptions, and the short descriptions. So this way you can create any number of products in your catalog, and they will be populated here really easily. So in the next video, we're gonna start working with the database. We're gonna create the connection between this database and this project.